That's it. Going down. Goodies. Get ready. It's coming. I need to wire up the alternator, starter, a couple other things, but this is what I got going right now. I got my fuse panel, relay board. This is the switch side, which is where the switches come in. They go to the relay, and then the power is distributed out here, which is whatever your your lights and your gauges, stuff like that. So this is the switch panel here. It's already all pre-wired. I just gotta finish wrapping and zip tie all the wires up, and then with the gauge cluster here, this is pretty much what we got going here. And then I got the gauge pod that goes right there in this empty spot right here. So we're gonna put a digital dash right here as well. So check me out, follow along, man. We're gonna have some sick shit coming. And we got the ambulance coming too, so. Alright, so I got the main wire, power wire going to the battery, and I got the other red wire, number 2 wire going to the battery. And then the number 1 trigger wire is going to go to a 12 volt ignition source with the key on only. So, that's where we're at right now. Alright, we're going to test the alternator. See if the alternator is charging, or if I didn't wire anything up correctly. Check that. Make sure our connections are good. Good. Okay. grab the keys real quick.
Try to start it up for the first time. Let's see. A little bit. Let's see, gauges is working. Just give it some fuel. There we go. Give it a little bit of fuel. Make sure we get the gas in this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the fuel off just in case. Okay. And I gotta connect the throttle, so right now I'm using this little cable. So. Gotta do some adjusting. Plus the vacuum advance isn't on right now, so try to give it just a little bit. Yeah, timing's off. Need to make some adjustments, but it's running. It just needs to be tuned in. I put some coolant in it, temperature sensor, new valve covers, new headers, new valve cover gaskets, new serpentine belts, new fuel lines. Everything's brand new. New cylinder heads, new camshaft, new push rods, new roller rockers. I tried to fire it up the other day, as you can see in the video, but it stalled out because I had to make some adjustments on the fuel reg and the timing. I was off one gear, one tooth on the timing, so oh boy, that's that cold start for you right there. Turn on these gauges, start watching our coolant. We need to put a little bit more, but I'm gonna get a little video for you guys. Done to go, ready to go. Alright, let's see if this alternator is going to charge or not. We got 11.9 volts right now. Okay. Power like that. Water wire is supposed to go to switch 12 volt. Alright, let me check a couple things out real quick. Back on the GMC Sierra truck, what I found out is that on these old school style alternators, they don't start charging until about 2200 to 3000 RPM. So what I realized is the reason why I thought this thing wasn't charging, see, is because I wasn't giving it enough RPM to trigger the alternator to start charging. See, right now we're sitting at probably around like 800 RPM. Just letting it warm up for a second. Go ahead and give it a little bit of throttle. As you can see now, charging really good. Almost good to go, guys.